I say legally, pag pumunta ka ron, hindi ka ikukulong. Legal yung products, legal yung business. Okay, we're registered with government agencies. Other companies are claiming nasa Africa sila, pero pag chinek mo, walang bangko, walang registration ng products, walang decent partnership with the local authorities. Nakakatakot yung gano'n. So what we're doing right now is really making an impact in the industry in such a way na legal lahat. Para at least, if ever you decide, I want to visit my group there, gusto kong maramdaman, yung naramdaman ni Upline na pumunta sa ibang bansa. Di ba? Gusto kong maramdaman, kumbulsyonin at mag-nosebleed, kaka-English. And there are even African countries na kahit okay ka mag-English, itatranslate pa sa local language nila. There are even countries in Africa na kahit magaling ka mag-English, itatranslate pa sa French. Kasi not everyone can understand English. Kinakailangan English and French in some parts of Africa. So it's complex. But the more complex it gets, the more exciting it is. So can you imagine from Africa, lalo na kapag nakatagos ka sa Togo, Ivory Coast, Cameroon, that are French-speaking countries, easily in Europe, in France, may grupo yan na French-speaking din. And tightly, within the next couple of weeks, we'll be launching our E24/7 online in Europe. Okay, so this is a really game changer. So after we've mastered Asia, Middle East, Africa, here comes Europe. With a legitimate registered product in Europe. So how would it affect you? So it's easy to say na, kumita ko na malaki, alam ko na. Pero just like what I learned from my first mentor, Mr. Nathan, sabi niya sa akin, whenever a company would open a country, make sure you have leaders planted in those countries. And during our time na hindi pa uso online, you need to physically travel and go there and talk to these people. And when you go back, call them landline. Ang laki pa ng telephone bills na nun. But it paid off. It paid off. Once nakakuha ka ng leader na matino, na naalagaan mo, na napakita mo in that particular country, na lokal, and he owns a certain huge percentage o a majority percentage of the network there. May downline ka sa Nigeria, 50% ng Nigeria, grupo niya. May downline ka sa Rwanda, 80% ng grupo sa Rwanda, downline niya. It sets you apart from the rest. Hindi ka lang ordinary Pinoy na networker. You're a network builder with an international network. You're an international networker. So how would you level that up? Kinakailangan, when you do your trainings, you can really equip others on how to build similarly. Kaya mong pakita sa downline mo na, ikaw din, kaya mo yung mag-build ng international network. How? So you need to level up your skills. Yung skills mo before that you have learned for the past 5, 6, 10, 8 years in the business, it allowed you to earn what you have earned for the past 2 years. Kung kumikita ka ng 100,000, yun yung knowledge level mo eh. Yun yung skill level mo eh. Kung kumikita ka ng 200,000, 300,000, kalahating milyon, yun yung knowledge level mo eh. Yun yung skill level mo eh. Gusto mo kumita ng 1 million a month, 2 million a month, 3 million a month, you cannot earn those figures if you won't level up your knowledge and your skills. Gusto mo kumita ng malaki, taasan mo rin yung knowledge and skills mo. Ano ba ginagawa nila? Apply, magkumita sila ng malaki. Bongga pala events nila. May pala events. Wala akong events sa grupo. Wala akong events sa grupo. Puro lang ako online. Online lang yung grupo. Hindi kami nagkikita-kita. So yung income mo, pang online din. Wala kang Thanksgiving sa organization mo. Wala kang regular meetings, physical meetings sa organization mo. Online or offline. Wala kang recognition. Yung mga applies mo na kumikita malaki, they're doing regular recognitions annually or twice a year. So you would know, parang palakitain ko yun, kinakailangan gawin ko rin yung ginagawa nila. So the big question is duplication. Kinakailangan mag-duplicate mo yung ginagawa nila applies. They're earning that much, yes, because they're doing a lot. You want to earn that much as well? Do a lot. Copy what they're doing. Events, incentives, meetings, continuous mentoring, continuous coaching. Because at the end of the day, that's the way to grow. The partnership of the company in AIM-1 is so huge in such a way that we consult every now and then. How could we support the organization? How do we grow together in a much stable basis? Saan ba yung organizations na saan ba yung bansa na papunta kayo? Saan ba yung market na natatarget natin na mas maganda yung resulta? Okay? The reason why we're doing that, it's because dun papunta yung trend. We have noticed here in the Philippines, marami tayong competitors na silently biglang pumuputok. Diba? Dami na nila. Puro billboard. Na hindi naman uso dati ang billboard. May ibang company na billboard, wala na ngayon. Ito ngayon, medyo active. Diba? Mahina ang benta sa EDSA. Ano, hanggang kailan? Will they cross culture? Sabi ng tao sa iyo, sabi ng tao sa Nigeria, Dok, nasa Nigeria na sila. Sino kausap? Puro Pinoy. Sabi kung product mo, puro pampaputi, mahirap ibenta sa Nigeria yun. In fact, in some of their culture, medyo insulto yun. Some of them would consider, oh, why are you selling whitening product to us? You will never get white. But nevertheless, they're selling okay. They're selling good here in the Philippines. Maingay, online and offline. They're innovating. So at the end of the day, it's about innovation. Mas gugustuhin ko pa yung ibang kumpanya maging ganun na maingay, pampaganda sa industriya kaysa sa nawawala na lang. Ayun. Wala na lang products, wala na lang payout, tagilid na. So, the industry is going strong. It's getting better because of technologies and other businesses na pwedeng magkaroon ng collaboration. So, AIM Global for the next few months, we'll be creating a lot of exciting changes. Sinimulan na natin na every 2 weeks may trips. So please help us. Pagka sinabi namin, ito yung mga aalis, inform your downlines. Okay? We'll be creating a lot of buzz, both offline and online, para mas promote ang incentive trips. Okay? We are starting our weekend encashment within the next 2 to 3 weeks. Final testing na tayo. When I say weekend encashment, encash ka ng Friday, Friday din. Encash ka ng Saturday, Saturday din. Encash ka ng Sunday, Sunday din. Bitin ka sa encashment sa BDO ng Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Mag-encash ka ulit emergency encashment, pwede pa. In short, kung gusto mo withdrawin lahat ng kinita mo ng that day at masyadong mataas dahil ng BDO, ito lang yung nire-require na cap, you can do emergency encashment with the one-time password. So all of this we're doing to level up our service to you. Okay? And then we'll be coming up with a lot of promotions and products aligned to the younger generation. We're coming up with promotions and products aligned for the international organization. Okay? So this will be so exciting. Ang competitors natin laging sa atin nakatingin. Ano ba ginagawa nila? O pumunta sila in other countries. Akala nila ganun kadali na pumunta in other countries. Yeah, pwede silang mag-Asia trip, pwede silang mag-expand sa Asia, pwede silang mag-expand in Africa, pwede silang mag-expand in the Middle East. But at the end of the day, they won't cross culture. It's temporary. Kaya nga, exciting. Pag pumunta kayo sa Dubai, half of the people attending our seminar, ibang lahi na. 50 yung attendees ng regular presentation, kalahati, ibang lahi, kalahati Pinoy. So, every day, ganun. Every Friday, which is their Sundays, 200, 300 umaten, kalahati, ibang lahi. It's a culture already. We are living up to the expectations ng company in global. We really are a global company. So if we are a global company, AIM-1 organization, a global organization, dapat magka-align tayo pareho. Build leaders in countries where the company is going. Narinig mo PNG, dapat may PNG ka. Narinig mo Solomon Islands, dapat may Solomon Islands ka. Narinig mo Fiji, dapat may Fiji ka. Narinig mo Zambia, South Africa, dapat meron ka. Kasi gasolinahan ng company yun. Buhusan namin ng gasolina yun para sumabog. Pag sumabog yun ang tanong, ilan ang porsyento namin? Yun ang goal. Lagi namin sinasabi yun whenever I see other leaders, magbubukas na ganito, ano porsyento mo dun? Wala, dead ka lang. Sayang. Gumagastos ka nila lang sa pag-build ng network. Am I right?
Yes.
Hindi ba maganda pag gumastos ka na rin lang, ginagastos din ng company ng bansa ngayon, action ka, align ka. Ang hirap nung magbubukas ka ng market at ng bansa na hindi naman doon papapunta yung company. O wala pang batas doon. Like, there were these leaders asking me to open in a certain country. Sabi ko, banang networking dyan. Walang legal na company, walang US company nga na nandun dyan. Meron mang office dyan, distributor office. So, huwag natin i-push. Okay? You push yourself to the limit, you push your organization to the limit in countries where we are opening, in markets where we are opening. I assure you guys, within this year and the next couple of years, that's why we're doing this continued service to you, is to assure you that the company is here to stay. The company is here to support each and every one of you. Mas gusto pa namin na lumago ang bawat isa sa inyo, mas kumita pa kayo, at mas marami pa tayo matulungan sa Pilipinas and other countries. Okay? And magtulungan tayo. I know, you guys are on the field 100% of the time. Kayo yung mas nakakakita ng ideas. Kayo yung mas nakakakita ng opportunities. Dapat sana, pwede palang gawin ng company to. We are open to suggestion. Some of you have direct lines to me, guys. Don't be afraid to share. Na sana, Doc, pwede sana sa ganitong bansa may ganito. Sa ganitong bansa may ganito. Kasi we are the type of company who listens. Okay? And I'm proud to say that in your organization, your leaders have been very vocal about those suggestions, those ideas on how to help more leaders and more distributors earn more. So congratulations on this day, A1. Thank you very much for the past 13 years. You've been loyal to the company. May nawala, pero mas marami namang pumaya. God bless, A1. Thank you very much.
Thank you.